DHE Presents Mopping with Michael. Meet Michael. He's a janitor here at Desert Haven Enterprises, and he's getting ready to mop. First, Michael fills up the mop bucket, but not too high. Next, Michael puts a wet floor sign down in the area he's going to mop to alert those around him that the floor is wet. Notice Michael is squeezing the excess water from the mop head. This way the floor will dry faster, preventing slips and falls. Great job, Michael. Now Michael's ready to mop. Oh no, Michael, what are you doing? You're overstretching, which could hurt your back, and then you're going to step right onto the wet floor, which could cause you to slip. Next, let's review some safety tips. Start in the corner furthest away from your exit so you avoid stepping on the freshly mopped floor. Next, work backward so you're stepping on dry ground. Finally, never overreach while mopping side to side. Only go as far as you comfortably can without leaning or straining. It's important to be aware of your surroundings as you move. Turn around to see where you're going as you mop, keeping your feet on the dry surface of the floor as you work to prevent slips and falls. Great job, Michael! Michael has demonstrated some excellent safety tips when mopping. Remember, before mopping, warm up your body with some simple stretches to avoid injury. Ensure your shoes have good tread and are free of oil and debris to prevent slipping. Caution surrounding foot traffic to stay out of the area being mopped until completely dry. Thank you, Michael, for showing us how to mop. Join us next time when Michael will demonstrate what to do after we mop and what to do with our supplies. Have a great day.